Hello everyone, so welcome to our channel the Techavro. So today I'm gonna show you how you can see your liked post or your comments on Instagram. So first of all you have to go to your profile. So tap on your profile and you can see top right there the three minus button. So you have to click that button for your settings. So tap on that button and you can see here so many options: settings, your activity. So you have to tap your activity, and over here you can see so many options like time spent, photos, interactions, account history. So tap interactions and then tap likes to see your liked videos, and over there you go. So yeah, that's how you can see your liked post on Instagram. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell button icon. And yeah, don't forget to thumbs up this video.